Tezos' way of magnificence was difficult by any stretch of the imagination. Notwithstanding, regardless of all impediments, the digital money was picking up speed quickly, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on more than 10 monster crypto trades, including, which is genuinely critical. We basically will inspect XTZ intently and furnish you with a far-reaching cost expectation about Tezos' digital currency. How does Tezos function? Tezos truly is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications and executing savvy contracts. Admittance to the program code really is open, and every client can partake in the framework modernization. The multi-stage engineering of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks in a real sense. The framework is separated into 3 modules: the organization module, the exchange module, the agreement module. The code of the blockchain environment is written in the OCaml programming language, which makes it really conceivable to autonomously update every one of the convention levels, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 2014, Arthur and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos to truly send off their venture. They held an exceptionally effective ICO in 2017. The couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the biggest ICO around then, which is genuinely critical. In any case, because of inward issues, the execution of the venture in a real sense was deferred. Thus, the coin never entered the trades at the named time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the undertaking originators. In 2018, a beta form of the venture certainly was delivered. However, it didn't figure out how to save what is happening in an unpretentious manner generally. Hoodwinked financial backers raced to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, trying to return speculations, which caused the breakdown of the conversion scale, or so they thought. The engineers needed to make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until this point, Tezos is a digital money that dispenses with key hindrances to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its elements, coming up next are quite significant. OY's agreement security. At the institutional level, brilliant agreements are written in the Michelson-situated programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Plausibility of a drawn-out update incredibly. Tezos' particular design and formal update system permit the organization to offer and carry out new mechanical developments flawlessly as they become accessible in an unobtrusive manner. Joined with the Tezos invoicing system, these viewpoints basically empower the convention to take care of the spreading issue without forfeiting the local area agreement, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Open investment, which is very huge, rather than excavators. The XTZ digital money certainly is really acquired by bread cooks. The very fluid proof-of-stake agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to generally take part in baking. This is the very thing that the Tezos network calls handling exchanges and creating new blocks. To heat, you really want to especially introduce a full hub on by and large your PC and present an application on the authority side. Cooks are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. Tezos Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Tezos will generally be $1.43. The most extreme level that the XTZ cost can reach is $1.55. The genuinely normal exchanging cost generally is normal around $1.48, which is very critical. XTZ value conjecture for November 2022 in a kind of large manner. In light of the value vacillations of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists truly expect the typical XTZ pace of $1.44 in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can basically be anticipated at $1.30 and at $1.48 individually. December 2022, Tezos value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the XTZ cost in December 2022. The extremely least exchanging cost may be $1.43, while the greatest could especially reach $1.55 during this month. By and large, it generally is normal that the worth of Tezos may be around $1.48. Tezos Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it explicitly is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Tezos will for the most part be around $1.96. The greatest expected XTZ cost might be around $2.47. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.02 in 2023. Tezos Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Tezos, in 2024, XTZ is supposed to have the accompanying extremely least and genuinely greatest costs, about $2.79 and $3.35. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost for the most part is $2.87. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Tezos and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the kind of least XTZ cost could drop to $3.94, while its kind of greatest can reach $4.82. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $4.05 in a by and large huge manner. Tezos Value Forecast 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Tezos by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and certainly least XTZ costs are normal in 2026, $6.81 and $5.74 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it will be exchanged at $5.95. Tezos Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Tezos. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical XTZ cost will be around $8.98. It could drop to at least $8.69. Yet it actually could reach $9.89 all through 2027, in spite of prevalent thinking. Tezos Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists truly plan figures at the cost of Tezos. It is assessed that XTZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $12.60 and $15.35 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $13.05 during the year. Tezos Value Forecast 2029, which sort of is very critical. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Tezos costs. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme XTZ cost of $22.14, or so they especially thought. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $17.59. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $18.24. Tezos Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Tezos cost, crypto specialists are truly prepared to give their XTZ cost assessment to 2030, which by and large is very critical. It will in a real sense be exchanged for no less than $25.08, with the conceivable greatest tops at $30.44. By and large, you can truly anticipate that the XTZ cost should be around $25.99 in 2030. Tezos Value Expectation 2031. In a significant manner, digital currency examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Tezos costs. The year 2031 will not entirely set in stone by the most extreme XTZ cost of $43.72. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $37.20. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $38.50. Would it be advisable for you to purchase XTZ? Today, Tezos can't be known as the most famous digital money.